Good morning, everyone. For today's video, another day, another blessings. Mag-harvest ta og kamatis karon kay naana po ni hinog. Fresh from our garden nga napuno sa mga sagbot kay it's rainy days. Keep on raining and will create a lot of weeds. I cannot pull any weeds because I don't have a lot of time. My time is divided into many chores. And I move like a worm too slow. I move too slow, that's why. So I was planning today, if I finish this harvesting, I might pull some weeds of it. Guys, I'm planning to pull some weeds. It's nice if it's clean without any unwanted grass. A little help, please. Jildan, Sturgeon. Come and help me, please. I need help. Because after harvesting this tomatoes, we will wipe it so that it will be dry. We'll make it dry. We'll wipe it some clothes that we don't need anymore. And if it's too ripe, it will turn very red. Some of the buyers won't buy the ripe one. It's easy to get rotten. Sorry guys, because I'm trying to use English words just to make it funny, or am I making funny hapon? Kanindot gyud lantawon sa mga tomatoes nga turning red. Karidsod. Kano man eh? Ato lang ni ikuan sa mga tindahan. Kanang dali ra ba gamiton? Pangkuan. It's a beautiful day. Even it's too windy, but we'll claim it. It's a beautiful day. Look, my okra is flowering. Last day, I picked some okra, but only few okra I have. And I have chili, and I have eggplant. I have beetroots, cucumber, and cassava, few cassava. Shout out who views my video. Thank you for watching. You are making me happy. Oh, look. It's too big. Too big. Sorry in town. Kay naning ni kayo ninyo hangkuan. Fruit picker. Fruit picker. Fruit picker. Naning siya kayo. Naman gwi di kasabot na ako'y ka ng follower bitaw nga. Taga Hong Kong. Di kasabot. Di kasabot og Bisaya, Tagalog, English ra jud ilang nasabtan. Manay naning ang inyohang kuan. Taga Pik. Susluoy sa hong panang kamatisan uy. Kuan na jud sidya, naghingalo na sidya sa mga sagbot. Nagahong okra. Ay, giud. Ayaw po kan aud. Ag-aho na ko'y pichay. Sus. Gihurot in town sa snail. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye. Hindi na pwede. Bye.